morning friends, I am Anjali Sandeep Chintaman from Chapadgaon High School, Chapadgaon. Today we are going to learn the next chapter, his first flight. His first flight. Now in last time we have to see that the seagull did not gather up the courage to fly and how his mother was trying to encourage her. Now we have to see that she has been have a fish in her leg and she was scraped each side of her beak on the rock, and that scene was maddened that seagull, and he was loved to tear up that field he wanted to eat. So what happened in next lesson we have to see that. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. Go, go, ah. She screamed back derisively, but he kept calling plaintively. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. He was leaned out eagerly and trapped the rock with his feet, trying to get near her as he flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, he had halted her wings motionless, a piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. He was waited at a moment in surprise, wondering why he did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outward and downward into the space. Then monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it was lasted a minute. Then the next moment, he felt his wings spread outward. The wind rushed against his best feathers. Then under his stomach and against his wings, he could feel the tips of his wing cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wing once and soared upward. Ga, 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 go. Ah, his mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. He saw his two brothers and his sister flying around him, curveting and wanking and soaring and diving. Now, in this para, what his mother came near him and said, ga, ga, ga. He cried. Why he cried? Because his mother coming near him with a piece of fish. He wanted that he took the fish, but his mother couldn't. God she screamed back derisively means in a manner of showing some heart he was in is stupid. तो स्टुपिड सारखी काहीतरी मागणी करतोय असं सांगून ती बाजूला गेली. बट ही केलेड कॉलिंग प्लेंटिवली एक्सप्रेसिंग सॉरो. तो तीव्र दुःखाने तुला बोलू लागला, आईला आर्ततेने हाक देऊ लागला. And after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. आणि थोड्या मिनिटाभराने तोनी आनंदाने किंकाळी ठोकली. His mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. आईने तो piece of fish घेतला आणि काय केलं, त्याच्या साईडने ती गेली. He was lured out eagerly, tapped the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. काय केलेलं आहे? He leaned out eagerly, tapping the rock with feet. त्याचं लक्ष नसेल तो सरळ पुढे आला आणि तिथं काय करायला लागला, नाचू लागला, आपले पाय वाजू लागला. Trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. तिच्या जवळ गेला तो मासा घेण्यासाठी, पण ती त्या विरुद्ध दिशेने उडून गेली. But when she was just opposite to him, he halted. She halted. Her wings motionless. आणि जसं त्याच्या विरुद्ध बाजूला ती गेली, एका ठिकाणी थांबली आणि पंख फडफडणं शांत केलं, जशी एका ठिकाणी ती थांबून घेतली. The piece of fish in her beak almost within the reach of his beak. अशीच थांबली की जणू काय आता तो फिश पटकन ओढून घेईल. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. काय केलं? त्याला अशी इतकी भूक लागली होती की तिने पटकन द्यावं म्हणून तो त्या फिशकडं, त्याला वाटलं आई इतकी जवळ आहे, माझ्या जवळ काहीच नाही, का देत नाही, आणि भुकेने इतका वेळ झाला होता की त्याने त्याच्यावर डाय मारला, म्हणजे उडी मारली, पटकन घ्यावा म्हणून. Within a loud scream, he fell outwards and downward into the space. आणि जोरात चिंचाळी ठोकून तो हवेमध्ये तरंगू लागला, खालीवर फडकू लागला. Then a monstrous terror seized him. Shocking. Monstrous means shocking. त्याच्यावर त्याने मात केली and his heart stood still. त्याला भीती आणखीन वाटू लागली. काय केलं पाहूया. He could hear nothing. त्याला काही ऐकायला येत नव्हतं. It was lasted a minute. 1 मिनिटभर ही स्थिती त्याची राहिली. The next moment he felt his wings spread outward. आणि पुढच्या क्षणाला त्याचे विंग्स फडफडले, पसरले गेले. Spread means पसर. The wind rushed against his breast feathers. आता त्याच्या छातीपासून ते विलग झालेले होते. Then under his stomach and again his wing. पुन्हा ते फडफडू लागला. He could feel the tips of wings cutting through the air. आणि त्याला असं वाटलं की वाऱ्याला ते जसं काही कापत कापत पुढे चाललेले आहे. He could not feel the tips of wing cutting through air. He was not falling headlong now. आता तो पडत नाही, त्याच्या लक्षात आलं. He was soaring gradually downward, up, outward. He was no longer afraid. He overcome on his fear and he fly into the world, downward, upward. He soaring. Here the meaning of soaring, that means fly into the air. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. What do you mean by dizzy? Dizzy means having an uncomfortable feeling of spinning around the losing one's balance. त्याला अनइझीनेस निघून गेला, अस्वस्थता निघून गेली, आपण पडू ही भीती निघून गेली, नाही वाटायला लागली थोडीशी. Then he flapped his wing once again and spread upward. Ga 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 go go. His mother swooped past him. आणि त्याला ती भीती 2च मिनिटं राहिली, नंतर तो हवेमध्ये तरंगू लागला. त्याच्या मागे आई होती. Her wings making a loud noise. आईच्या पंखांचा आवाज मोठा येत होता. He answered her with another scream. त्यानेही त्याच प्रकारे आईला काय दिलं, उत्तर दिलं. Then his father flew over him screaming. आता वडिलांनाही प्रचंड आनंद झाला, त्याच्या डोक्यावरनं तेही उडू लागले. He saw his 2 brothers and sister flying around him, curtwing and banking and soaring and driving. Curtwing and leaping like a horse. घोड्यासारखे ते उडू लागले. काही banking means flying with one wing higher than the other. एकाखाली एक असे ते उडू लागले. Now here he wanted that fish from his mother, but mother is mother. She wanted he could fly in the air, so he tempting him that she would give him that fish. She come nearer, but not close to him. The fish was in the reach of that seabird, but he could not get it. But because of hunger, he dived on that fish, but mother was flying away. And he also tried to dive on that fish, and his wings are spread into the air, and he also flying. For within 1 to 2 minutes he was feeling afraid, but now he was flying in the air. His father flying over him, around him his sister and brother were flying, and mother was behind him, and they had been enjoying the flying. He gathered up the courage, and now he was into the sky. Next para we have to see. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commended himself to dive and soar and curve and shrinking shrilly. Now he completely forgotten that he was afraid to fly, or he was not able to fly, he was unable to fly. And he commended himself to dive a fish and serve and curve. त्यांनी स्वतःच तो फिश पकडायला सुरुवात केली, खायला सुरुवात केली आणि श्रिंकिंग जोरजोरात किरकाळ्या ठोकायला सुरुवात केली, कारण की त्याला हवेमध्ये उडता आलं आणि ती पहिली फ्लाईट घेईपर्यंत त्याच्यामध्ये करेज नव्हतं, ते करेज त्याला गॅदर करता आलं. आता तो कसाही उडू शकणारा होता. नाव इन सेकंड पॅरा वी हॅव टू सी. ही वॉज नियर द सी नाव, फ्लाइंग स्ट्रेट ओव्हर इट, facing straight out over the ocean. He was a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridge moving over it, and he turned on his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. He was near the sea now. आता तो समुद्राच्या जवळ आला. Flying straight over it, समुद्राच्या बरोबर समांतर पातळीला पोहू लागला. Facing straight out over the ocean. He saw a vast green sea beneath it. त्याच्या खाली, समुद्राच्या खाली जो निसर्ग असतो, सुंदर सुंदर हिरवी झाडं असतात, तो ते पाहू लागला. With a little ridge moving over. Ridge means a chain of hill. टेकड्या सुद्धा त्याला दिसू लागल्या. He turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. Pleasurely, त्याला आनंद झाला हा सगळा सीन पाहून. Now he saw the picturesque scene under the sea. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on his green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He drops his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with pride and attempted to rise again, flap his wings. But he was tired and weak his hunger. He was tired and weak with his hunger. He could not rise, exhausted by the strength exercise. His feet sank into the green sea, and then he barely touched it, and he sank no farther. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made his first flight. Now his parents and his brothers and sister had landed on a green flooring ahead of him. त्याच्या समोरच थोडीशी हिरवळ होती, त्यावरती फॅमिली मेंबर्स उतरले. They were beckoning to him. Beckoning means to give signal, to move near, to follow. खाली उतरण्यासाठी ते सिग्नल देत होते. Calling shrilly, जोरजोरात आवाज देत होते. He dropped his leg to stand on green sea. आता त्याने त्याचे पाय त्या ग्रीन सीवर उतरायला सुरुवात केली. हिज लेग सॅंक इनटू इट, आणि ते पाण्यामध्ये बुडू लागले तसा तो घाबरला. ही स्क्रीम विथ प्राइड अँड अटेम्प्ट टू राइज अगेन, फ्लॅपिंग हिज विंग, आणि पुन्हा तो उडायला सुरुवात केली. बट ही वॉज टायर्ड अँड वीक विथ हंगर. पण तो तिथं खूप दमलेला होता, उडून उडून दमला होता. आदल्या दिवशी त्याला जेवायला काहीच नव्हतं, आणि त्यामुळं थकल्यामुळं त्याने काय केलं, ही कुड नॉट राईज, त्याला उडता आलं नाही. एक्झॉस्टेड बाय स्ट्रेंज एक्सरसाइज, आणि एक्झॉस्ट म्हणजे दमणे, प्रचंड दमला होता. वेअर आउट, खूप मोठं त्याने एक्सरसाइज केली होती, आणि त्यामुळेही त्याला आता ताकद राहिली नव्हती आणि उडताही येणार नव्हतं. मग काय केलं त्याने, ही फीट सॅंक इनटू द ग्रीन सी, त्याने त्याचं आपलं शरीर त्या पाण्यामध्ये पाय सोडून दिले. अँड देन ही बेली टच इट, आणि नंतर त्याचं पोट त्या पाण्याला लागलं. अँड ही शँक नो फर्दर, आणि तो बुडाला नाही, तो त्या पाण्यावर तरंगू लागला. ही वॉज फ्लोटिंग ऑन इट. अराउंड हिम हिज फॅमिली वॉज स्क्रीमिंग, प्रेझिंग हिम, अँड देअर बिग्स वेअर ऑफरिंग हिज स्क्रॅप ऑफ डॉग. सगळेजण त्याचं कौतुक करू लागले आणि त्याला डॉग पीस दिला. ही मेड हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाईट. दॅट्स वे ही मेड हीज फर्स्ट फ्लाईट. अशा प्रकारे त्यांनी आपली फर्स्ट फ्लाईट पूर्ण केली. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कुठलीही गोष्ट पहिल्यांदा करताना अवघड जशी असते तशी ती आपण प्रयत्न केल्यावर आल्यानंतर तिचा आनंद काही वेगळाच असतो. म्हणून कुठलीही नवीन गोष्ट करताना घाबरू नका, प्रयत्न करा, प्रयत्नांनी तुम्हाला नक्कीच यश मिळणार आहे. नाव इन लास्ट पॅरा हिज पॅरेंट्स एनकरेजिंग हिम to come on the land, afloat on the sea, and he gathered up the courage and he did his job well. Thank you. See you in the next period.